Whew, that was a tense moment. Next time you might not be so lucky. So it's time to check and replace your battery in 5 simple steps. Here's what you'll need. First of all, the safety essentials, gloves and safety glasses. Then some simple tools and supplies, spanners, sockets and extension bars. A battery terminal and post cleaner, a battery terminal protection kit and a workshop manual for your vehicle. Finally, you'll need a battery, of course, and a battery tester. If you'd rather not invest in a battery tester, you can have it tested for free at Supercheap Auto. If you've determined that the old battery is indeed due for replacement, it's time for step 1, reviewing the process. Most battery replacements are simple, but it's a good idea to get familiar with your battery and the procedure in your workshop manual. Use the Supercheap Auto MyGarage feature to find and purchase the correct battery for your car. If you don't feel up to it, or you just CBF with DIY today, have a chat with the team at Supercheap Auto. We can probably do it for you. Otherwise, let's move on to step 2, disconnecting the battery. Once your vehicle is in park or gear, with the park brake on and ignition off, you can locate the battery and get to work. The negative terminal should always be removed first. Be super careful to keep your ratchet or spanner from contacting the positive terminal, or sparks, burns and major damage can occur. Once the terminal's removed, it's a good idea to wrap it with a rag and tuck it aside. Repeat this process for the positive terminal. Wrapping and tucking both sides keeps them safely out of the way for step 3, removing the battery. The clamping system holding your battery might be a simple clamp with 2 nuts on top, which can be freed with a spanner. Others have the clamp at the base, for which you'll require a ratchet, socket and extension. Or it could be something else entirely. Refer to that workshop manual if you're unsure. Once the clamp is removed and the battery is loose, plan your lift. Car batteries are super heavy, so prepare a place to put it down. Ensure you can position yourself for a safe lift, keep the battery upright at all times, and don't be shy to ask for help. Now your lift is planned, it's time to remove. Oh, you've done it. Alright then, on to step 4, cleaning up. While not essential, this is a great chance to loosen up dirt and debris with a brush, then whisk it away with a vacuum. Check for corrosion around the battery tray while you're there. Now use the battery terminal cleaner to remove any scale and corrosion. Wipe them clean and apply a little battery terminal grease inside of each. Remove the post covers, and although the battery's new, roughen up the posts to promote good contact. Then you're ready for step 5, replacing the battery. Being mindful of your lift, place the new battery in its home. Be sure to position the positive and negative posts around the right way. You'll see a plus symbol for positive and a dash symbol for negative. From here, it's all reverse order. Battery clamp first, positive terminal second, negative terminal always goes on last. Don't forget to apply those felt washers before you fix the terminals in place. Bonnet down, turn the key, kicks like a mule. And that old battery can be recycled for free at Supercheap Auto. Find detailed instructions and more ways to help you make it super with Supercheap Auto's Super DIYs. Make it super at Supercheap Auto.